Big bike, tight, low bike. Big bike, tight, low bike.
Hi, Belle. We are going to brush. What's his name? Willow? Brush Willow. Because Willow is just so sweet. He is so sweet. Sorry for my face, y'all. This is Willow. Say hi, Willow. Come on, Willow. Huh? So I brush him with this, get all the dirt and hair. And then I'm gonna go back with the brush. Now I'll go back with this brush. He likes this. Oh yes, he takes this good. I know. Stop it. Now, what I do is put that back. The brush. He loves to get brushed. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You brush your hair. Stop it. God dang. So, he being hard-headed today. He's being real hard-headed today. Anyways, he's just so lovable. You're so lovable, aren't you? I know. I didn't even do my intro. All these cute little horses. Here's Smacker Lips right here. He hasn't been smacking his lips today. This is Martin. And that's Chili and Charlie. Who else is in that round pin? Chili, Charlie, and somebody else, and Baby Case out there. And oh, you guys. So he was taking out Casey, and she was acting like a bitch because I was in here and he was taking the other horses out, and she started going crazy. So he took her out. That's what I said. He took her out. I mean, he took him out of the stall, got him to that round pin.
Just knocked over the tail.
Got
hey, I'm down.
See, Willow's back there doing some weird shit. I don't know what he's doing. He's trying to get off that thing. Anyway, so he went and grabbed her and brought her outside and went to go put her in that round pin. And she started pulling back. He looked. Have you guys ever seen a big fish and somebody trying to pull it onto the boat? Well, that's what he looked like. He was getting drugged by this horse. So then the other guy came and was trying to help him. Well, he was getting drugged too, so they ended up letting him go, and the freaking horse started running around all around the farm. So they had to go catch him. So this one right here, Flaco, he goes and freaking jets through here, all the way from there, all the way to out there.
Eats it right by the tractor.
He goes and flies by the tractor because they were trying
falls and gets back up.
He falls and gets back up and starts running again because the front gate is open, so the horse was trying to get to the front gate. But that was so funny. I'm gonna see if I could install a clip here. So yeah, that was pretty funny. I'll be trying to get some more funny things on here, but it's hard to be with your phone like that all the time. Let me take you guys over here. See this ugly donkey. There's a pregnant horse over here too. She's pregnant. She's back there. Right there somewhere. Well, there goes the ugly donkey. There goes the horses. One of them's pregnant. That's Tom. Right there. And those are baby horses. Way over here. They're babies still. So guys, I'll be back.
Big bank, tight, low bank, bank. Big bank, tight, low bank, bank. Type of money you gon' need.